Hello everybody, Lance Dow, Tequila Presser, and here we are from Uncharted, Mexico. Everything Mexican. Everything from Mexico we're doing now. But I'm back doing a little bit. I was at a tianguis the other day and I ran into a little bit of tiny bottle of mezcal and I wanted to try it. It's alacran has inside, and that means it has a little scorpion inside. So we'll have to see whether I take that or not. You might have to wait until the very end. Anyway, we're gonna try it. It's from Finca Tellez, a mezcal artisanal in Oaxaca. You know, Oaxaca it's made. So they do have a website, Finca Tellez. That's Tellez, and you'll find it online.com. So if you want to check that out, and they've got a line of them. They also have some of the cream ones. So we're gonna give it a try here. So we'll switch this around. Here we are poolside. I'm gonna give it a little whirl here. It's a pretty good dose, and we'll leave the rest of that for later when I get the scorpion. Okay. Here in Lake Chapala, friend's house. Let's give this a try. Alrighty. This is supposed to have an ABV of 43%. Very nice mezcal smell. Very nice. You got a little heat at the end. Got that earthy vegetable flavor. Very nice, very nice. That's really good, guys. That's good. So we'll put a link into the actual website if you want to see it. If you're running around and you see this, it's got that great earthy flavor. Not too smoky, and that's what's happening. Unless you really have to work to find the smoke now. They understand the American palate, where a lot of this is sold, where a lot of mezcal is sold now, and people like it on the less smoky side. Also, when you're mixing, they like it a little bit on the less smoky side. Now, as I said in I think Instagram that we're gonna put up, this wasn't cheap. It's just that little bottle was 170 pesos, and the entire bottle is about 1,150 pesos. So let's say 45, 50, $60. And it's a very nice mezcal, but that's on the higher end. It's on the higher end. So maybe it's a little bit cheaper in the United States because that's what's happening actually. They're exporting so much, and you make more money in the United States. So we're gonna get the scorpion a little bit later. I think Matt wants me to do it, so I'm gonna try. All right. Yeah, Matt insisted that I do this. AI says not to do it, but come on, AI. What does AI know? What does AI know? Pretty crunchy. Tastes like mezcal. Luckily, a little cerveza, a little Corona here. Oh, that Corona did it.